Hello everyone. Here's another unfinished house that is in a subdivision that I pass by to and from work. A few months ago when they started working on these places, I don't think it was all that's happening. Anyway, looks like they don't have the brick on it yet. It's just all building tar. Right, just in an entryway. Off the entryway there's some kind of office area, a very tall ceiling. Looks like it has its own closet. And you got a bedroom. Looks like in here. Ceiling. I like to look at the attic and stuff because all this will be closed off eventually with drywall. Looks like you got its own little closet too. And then it's got a bathroom. No tub in it or shower or whatever, which also is the hall bathroom. Then you come in here to a living room with huge windows and a fireplace. This thing can actually focus. Yeah, there we go. It's probably just going to be a gas fireplace insert. It's a staircase. The closet under the stairs. Kitchen with a pantry. Looks like that's going to be a very tall ceiling also with fake beams, which the real beams are going to be covered in drywall, but these fake ones are actually going to be exposed. They don't serve any structural purpose. That's to the patio. That's to the rest of the street. Looks like you have to put curtains up for privacy. Looks like my video is almost done here. Walk in here to a master bedroom. Nice high ceiling. Master bathroom. There's where the tub's supposed to go. Frosted window. Interesting toilet. Back here. Oh, unless this is a shower. That's the toilet. That's the shower. And then in here you get a big double closet. His and her halves with a divider wall. And then in here, this is the laundry room. You walk directly into with the closet. Here is the drop zone or the mud room. And then here, beautiful 3-car garage. Nice big windows, a lot of rafters. Now let's go upstairs before the timer runs out. Yes, I don't know why this camera has a timer on it, but it does, and I don't know how to fix it. So I'm trying to get through this as quickly as possible. And also, I have time. So up here, you're up the stairs, you get this big bonus room, with a window, view of the street. Very pretty. I'm not going to give you the address of this place because I don't know who's watching the video. Then in here, this is a doorway to the attic. Also bear in mind, even though this is all stud walls, I'm walking through doorways, so know how the house is. Then nice, very tall ceiling in the attic. Ductwork everywhere. Looks like they have not finished yet. And in this closet, but just looking in here you can see the high ceiling, where it meets the high ceiling in the master bedroom below. And then up here you also get a bathroom, which of course the tub is supposed to go there. And then you get these two bedrooms up here with the closet and that bedroom over there with its window, as you can see. and its closet. And then it gets its own private attic access. Again, and this is above the garage. Whole attic access. And again, this is just a little hallway. So down we go. Let me see if I can show you the back before the time runs out. Door's nailed shut. Whoa. Alright. Can't go past the property line here. So let's see. Oh, that's the house. Then let's down that clock. Alright, it looks like that's the house, and I hope all of you enjoyed it. And I will see you next time. Alright, everybody, have a good day.